Hey，欢迎来到中文新兵训练营。Welcome to Chinese Boot Camp. The very practical character we're going to look at today is this one, shang. 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 So fourth tone, shang. Shang. And you sort of have to curl your tongue a little bit to produce the shang. Shang. Okay, let me do one without curling my tongue and see if you can hear the difference, okay? Sang. Sang. So that one, I did not curl my tongue, but if you want to do this one correctly, you curl your tongue and say shang. 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 Okay, so when you see the sh, you have to curl your tongue. So don't be fooled and thought that it's shang, okay? It's not. It's shang, shang. Okay, so I just need to really emphasize on the pronunciation here. And this character, as you can see, it's super easy to write, but there are so many different meanings to it. Well, they all go along the same line as above or previous. Okay, so you see above and on sort of similar concept, and then over and top similar concept. So this one, go, it's pretty interesting. So for example, you know, a lot of people have heard of the big city in China called Shanghai. 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 It's actually the correct way to say it. Shanghai. So hai, what does that mean? Let me write it down. So, let me erase. Okay. So, you will see Shanghai. Okay, now you know how to say it. Please don't say Shanghai, okay? Shanghai. Shanghai. Well, I guess you could say Shanghai because not everyone knows Chinese yet. Okay, so shang, it means to go, and hai means ocean. Okay, Shanghai, it means go to the ocean. So Shanghai is a city, a coastal city just by the ocean. So that means that, you know, like long time ago, people would ask you, "Hey, where are you going?" And you would say, "Oh, I'm going to the sea. I'm going to the sea." So go to the sea, go to the sea. Eventually, the name sticks, and people start to call that city "go to the sea" literally in Chinese. And of course, when you say in Chinese, you would say Shanghai. Like, oh, where are you going? I'm Shanghai. I'm going to the ocean. Okay. It might still be kind of abstract to you, this concept, but the more Chinese you learn, the more you will understand. Like school is 学. Okay, so I'm going to school. You would say 上学. Okay. Oh, sorry. It should be 上学. 上学. It means go to school. Okay, go to school. All right, and then here you also see some pretty interesting meanings to this character. It's like last or previous. So when do we use this? Like, for example, when did you see the movie? You would say last week. Last week. So the last week in Chinese, you will use this character, shang. Okay? So the more you learn, the more you will find out how to use this character. But today, they just focus on how to write this character, even though it's super easy. You probably have already figured it out. So, now let's follow along on the first square and get your pen and paper ready. 1, 2, okay, do these 2 strokes first, and then 3. So the bottom stroke goes longer, okay? 1, 2, 3. Shang. 1, 2, 3. Shang. And I also wanted to point out that why this character is the way it is. You could look at the upper screen here. So this is the ground, okay? And so something is above the ground, so pointing to the top, okay? So you could think of this like this is the ground and there's an arrow Okay, so this is how this character was created. Shang. Well, at least that's what we thought it was created. How it was created. So shang, shang, shang. Okay. So that's it for the video, and don't forget to like our Facebook page, follow our Facebook page on facebook.com/Chinese Bootcamp, and we also have this video uploaded to YouTube, and feel free to share that with your friends who like Chinese also. Alright, hope you enjoyed today's video.